Hi everyone, want to turn off or disable or stop autoplay videos on your Facebook? So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, open your Google Play Store. In this here, write and search Facebook. After that, update your Facebook app. Open your Facebook account. In this, you can easily disable or turn off or stop Facebook autoplay videos. So let's see. After that, you can see three dot line, click on it. You scroll down, choose and open settings and privacy. After that, choose settings, click here. You scroll down, you can see media. So in this you can choose and select media, open it. You scroll down, and in this you can easily turn off or disable or stop Facebook autoplay videos and stories. So let's see. After that, you can see autoplay in feed and stories. You can see three options. First option on mobile data and Wi-Fi. After that, on Wi-Fi only. After that, third option and last option, never. So in this you can choose and select never option. After that, in this here, click on it. You can see in this time I can choose and select never option. So in this way you can easily turn off or disable or stop Facebook autoplay videos, or disable or turn off or stop autoplay videos on Facebook. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.